Hello guys, welcome back to the university. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the voice typing in a Google document. But before anything else guys, please extend your appreciation by giving this video a like, share our content, and please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updated whenever we post new videos. Alright, so let's go ahead to my Google document so that I can show you how. So there we go. Now it requires me to show that I am talking, so I have to use a split camera or a camera rather, just to show you how it's done. So, hello, it's me, Sir Ed here. Let's go ahead and open a blank document. So I'm gonna click this one. Yes, there we go. And first and foremost, I have to name my document right here. And I'm gonna say Edgar uses voice typing. Yeah. So this is like dictation, but it's more accurate because later on you will know that you'll be able to insert an equation just by using your voice without typing. Like you can type anything, like you can give a command like a new paragraph and so on and so forth. Alright, all the punctuation, all you have to know is how to say them and how to dictate it to the computer. Alright, so you have your, you need to have your microphone. Alright, so that's one. And then you can also use this while you are using your mouse. Okay, so let's do that. So you go to tools, and then you will see something right here says voice typing. All right, so voice typing, so you can also invoke this or call this function or program using control shift plus s. Okay, so let's just click this, and then a button will pop up. All right, and once we click, um, the computer will start typing. Okay, so let's try. Click to speak. Hi there, good morning to everyone. My name is Sir Edgardo and Angeles, and I am using voice typing. Yes, it's working and it's very accurate. So you can see that it's working, guys. Now let's try to insert an equation. And I've used the enter button. New paragraph. Uh-huh. Alright, so insert equation. Not inserting an equation, huh? Equation. Earlier, it's inserting an equation. Right now, I cannot get it. Insert an equation. Yeah, there you go. Loading. So there's, it converted my words into the equation. Enter. So everything that I am typing is I am saying is being typed to our screen, as you can see. So this is very important if I'm gonna make a script and then I'm gonna convert it into PDF and then change the voice. Yeah, so it's very helpful in productivity purposes. It's up to you how to use it, guys. So let's try to insert an equation, because for me it's very important if I can insert an equation without um, with a minimal time. Okay, so that's it. Insert an equation. Insert an equation. Mhm. Insert equation. Equation. So, x squared plus 2x plus y. So yeah, so it's yeah. You've seen that it's working. Well, right now it's not working. I don't know, but maybe the consistency has something to do with that. So let's stop for a while. So if you click that, now you can actually edit. So, but this is what I need, and I will let Microsoft PDF to read this for me, and I can change this thing. You know, but for yeah purpose of demonstration, you will see that this tool is very helpful. All right. So you just have to go to tools. Yeah, there you go. And then click voice typing. All right, so let's try again. Equation. Equation. Insert equation. No, it's not working, huh? Insert an equation. Tools equation. Oh, it didn't work. But you see, guys, it worked kanina. Okay, so with that, uh-huh. Um, let's see if it can type any words. Okay, mahal kita. Yes, it worked. All right, so there you go, guys. See you once again in my next videos, and I hope that this equation will work well in in or while I'm using the voice typing. But at least you have learned something new today. Bye bye, guys.